Hi, I'm Richard with the Data Success Team. Our team is dedicated to helping you get the most out of your Dataedo subscription and succeed with your data cataloging project. I'm here today to introduce you to Dataedo Bootcamp. This is a series of 10 short videos designed to help you become acquainted with Dataedo products and learn some fundamental skills that will be important as you proceed through your cataloging project. First two videos will introduce you to the Dataedo portal and Dataedo desktop. These are very different applications and they serve different purposes. So learning how they work will be important to you. Next, we'll talk about license management and user management. License management refers to assigning Dataedo licenses to your editors, and user management refers to putting people who access the Dataedo portal into groups and managing what people in those groups can do. Then we'll talk about installing the Dataedo desktop. Again, this is for those people who have editor licenses. Then we'll talk about business glossary and data dictionary. Together, these form the core of your data catalog, so it's important to understand what they are and what they are not. We'll talk about some best practices and ways to make the most out of these. Then we'll show you how to create a repository, how to set up connections, and how to update the metadata. These three tasks work together to get the metadata out of your source systems into Dataedo and make it available for the work that goes on up above in the business glossary and the data dictionary work. Of course, you're welcome to contact us at any time. You can contact the Data Success Team at success@dataedo.com or the support team at support@dataedo.com. We're happy to talk to you at any time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.